So basically what we're forming right now is that 5 minute. So I want to see this 5 minute get tapped into. Also, you can see on ES, you just formed those equal highs. So I'm gonna look for a trade, bruv. Yeah, so respecting that 1 hour gap, we have a 5 minute comp. This is valid sponsorship. This is a valid move, bro. We have that internal high right there on NQ. You can look to target. And Mondays, where I just tend to distribute towards one direction. So if we're gonna be bullish, we should be bullish. And those equal highs on ES, so this is a good position. I'd say this is A plus, so I'd be willing to risk however much is needed. Alright, boom, just tapped into the 5 minute. So I'm gonna look for inversion. Highest time frame inversion, the leg currently is a 2 minute. So if we inverse this 2 minute, I'm gonna take this. Damn, bro, we're about to get some good trades.
There's 2 minute, bro. There's no 2 minute, right?
Yeah, there's a 2 minute. You're on your bullshit fucking whatever you call it. Yeah, MMTZ. Yeah, get ready though, boys. Get ready. We're gonna take this shit for show ski.
I'm gonna just act like there's a 2 minute gap or what?
Bruh. Bruh. Alright, let me get my position size. So this is low key. This is gonna be a 10 contract hitter. I'm your little baby boy. Alright, 1 more minute. Oh, bro, this 1 minute looks so bad though, dude. I can't lie, bro. And ES already took the high. Look, I want more structure to form on the 1 minute, bro. This looks pretty bad. I'm not gonna take this 2 minute. I want to wait for more structure, bro. Unless we get fat ass displacement, bro. This just doesn't look that good. I don't like how this formed. And we have LR on ES. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm not taking this 2 minute inversion. I'm waiting. Oh, there's not even a 2 minute. Fuck. That's what you were saying, Tiago?
Yeah, there's no. That was the 32 minute.
Yeah. No, okay, we were about to form a 2 minute. Alright, I want to see more structure form, so I want to see this. Yeah, this is good. I want to see like a stop hunt maybe, and then I want to see us turtle soup that stop hunt, and then I want to see us CISD the high, so. That's what I'm going to look for right here. CISD.
Yo, I'm watching MQ. There is no 2 minute gap neither, bro.
No, like it wasn't like a formed 2 minute gap yet. Yeah, but it was like at the time that like it was forming, and then this candle fucked this, and then there's no 2 minute gap. Damn, bro, ES is ripping. Holy shit. I'm still finna wait. I don't like the structure, but it's just not clean. If this wants to run without me, bro, it is what it is, but this structure is not clean. I'm not finna get caught up on no bullshit. Yo, that's what I thought, bro. It's my fucking bread and butter setup, bro. Discretion is the bitch. Discretion is how. There's a stop hunt now. I want to look for CSD. Nice. Alright, let's turtle soup this low right here. Alright, nice. Everything's loaded. Come on, let's soup this low, bruh. Soup this low and get a fat ass CSD. Fat ass CSD. Is there a 30-second? I don't think I'd take a 30-second here with the structure though. I'd use it as a confluence, so I want to see his 30-second get inverse alongside a CSD. So that's what I want to see. All right, we formed the 30-second, so I want to see that get inversed, and then the 1 minute has a nice CSD. But this is looking like bad structure. And ES is ripping, and NQ is behind, so some boys in the chat. Boys in the chat with it. But yeah, like, start getting ready to enter position, but at the same time, like, we ain't done enough yet. Is this equilibrium of the range? Alright, nice. We're in equilibrium of the range, so we should push higher from this current point. We stop hunt the lows, we have wicks. We're about to form 645, so this could distribute us higher. We've done the manipulation, so I definitely want to see us go higher from right here. Yeah, 645 should distribute us higher. Alright, so 20 seconds for the inversion. And if this closes bullish on the 1 minute, I'm going to take this trade 100%. This is an A+ setup. Only thing, ES is ripping. Alright. I'm going to take this. 10, 6. Oh my days. Alright. I'm waiting for a little pullback. That's insane. I'm waiting for a little pullback. Without sweeping that internal high. Bro, oh fuck. Alright, it's fried. GG's, boys. Holy fuck. Jesus Christ, bro. There wasn't even... I was willing to take a 30-second there and it is raped. Damn, bro. That's retarded. Holy shit. I haven't seen that happen. Actually, I did see that happen in January, so I'm not, like, pressed. Damn, bro. Shit. That was low-key crazy. Yeah, I was looking for a long, bro. That's low-key crazy.
Alright, price is just pumping here. Again, it's probably most likely just running a charge.
Yo, JP, your mic's on, bro.
I'm probably gonna wait until this 4-hour swing high gets hit at 8:06.
JP, bro, what you doing, bro? Appreciate it, dog. But yeah, damn, bro, that's crazy. Not willing to take this right here. Do not willing to take that. We already swept out the internal. Shit, bruh. Come on, G. I knew we were going higher, bro. It's just like fucking didn't give us the entry, bro. Damn, fuck. I was even willing to take a 30-second right there, so I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping about it. Shit, bro. That's crazy. But once again, there's no entry, so what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What do y'all think about that shit right there? No way. W, bruh. Go break even. Yeah, you break even right now?
I'm break even.
Fire, bruh. Damn, G shit, bro. G shit. Dude, fuck. I just, like, wanted to wait for that close, and, like, we were just so high up. I mean, fuck. Low-key, that's not that bad. It is what it is. I wanted to see a pullback, bruh. I mean, fuck. I knew we were going higher. It's just, like... Fuck, bruh. Tiago, what you thinking, big dog? Kenny, what we thinking?
Like that old me thing who think I'm cold trade and I will enter mid candle, but yeah, I was waiting for the close and she fucked me.
Yeah. What you thinking, Kenny?
Just break you
I'm sure, bro. That shit was a fucking fat ass candle and
Yeah, for real. Alan's break even. Well, it's like a 1 minute con from here, but like to where there's nothing. We already took out that shit. That was the main target for this play. That high. That internal high right there on the 15 minute. In regards to another entry from this point, we did not form a 15 minute gap. I don't know, bro. That's pretty crazy, though. How many points is that candle that just formed, bro? Damn, 50 points. I mean, that's not comparative to the range, though. But I'll break this play down real quick for y'all. Right. Basically, once again, we came down, right? Boom, 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 boom. Tapped into what? Distributed from where? This 4 hour gap right here. Also being within what? Discount of the price lag range. We then came higher. What do we do? Respect bullish, P raise, disrespect bearish, being that 4 hour condition. Inverse that. Then overnight we began pushing higher once again. 1 hour we began pushing higher. And to market open, which is right here, what were our conditions set below? We had this unmitigated 1 hour gap right here and this unmitigated 1 hour gap right there. What I wanted to see at open was price come down, rebalance 50% of the price leg, tap into that unmitigated one, then get a reaction out of it. However, price was just focused on delivery today, and instead we came down and tapped this 1 hour gap right here. So we came down, tapped that 1 hour gap, got an instantaneous reaction out of it, which then formed this 5 minute comp. So basically we're seeing extremely valid sponsorship with the trend. Price goes higher, pulls back, price goes higher, pulls back into what? 1 hour gap. Price goes higher on the smaller scale, pulls back into a 5 minute gap. Valid sponsorship towards the upside. From this point, right, we have a very, very obvious bullish candle off the open. You can see very nice wick towards the upside, nice candle closure above what these highs, right? We're obviously bullish into the morning. Price then fucks around for a minute, right? We then edge this internal high right here before our major target, which once again, our major target for the day was previous a high, also being that unmitigated daily gap. Price comes down, it taps into that 5 minute, right? After tapping into that 5 minute, what do we get? We get kind of bad structure, but then we end up turtle souping the low here at 643. 645 comes around, we expect 645 to distribute us higher since we've done all the manipulation to the downside, leaving stacked LR above. However, once 645 came, instead of giving us that slow, nice inversion towards the upside, we get a fucking Diddy candle, which did not present us an entry. And that is that. So yeah, that's a little speed run of today's price action. So that being said, I'm trying to think what entry could I even take from this point, and they're low key. Oh, also we're respecting that 15-minute bullish. So we have 15-minute bullish respecting a 5-minute bullish. I believe us to go higher from right here. I do believe us to go higher, but is there an entry I'm willing to take from this point? No, because even if we are to push higher and get a retrace into a 5 minute, that's a 5 minute out of a 5 minute, which I consider invalid stacked liquidity pools. So, from this point, I would need to see a 15-minute form, and that's like, it's a whole lot of bullshit we have to do. So, yeah, I'm not finna lie, bro. I'm low-key finna hop off for the day right here. If anyone has a reason why I shouldn't hop off, let me know. But I see no other potential trades that I'm willing to take, because like I said, even if price wants to push higher, from this current point right here, right? If price wants to push higher to go to that daily unmitigated gap, we're gonna get what, a retrace down to what, a 5 minute, and then push. But at the same time, that's a 5 minute out of a 5 minute, which is stacked liquidity pools, which is invalid. What I would need to see from this current point is for price to push higher, form a 15-minute con, retrace down into that daily, and then take us higher. But the probability of that happening on a Monday when we already pumped 400 something points pre-market is pretty low for us to want to deliver it cleanly, an additional 100 points, and formulate that 15-minute gap when price is moving like this off of open. So that being said, I pick my battles, right? I pick my battles and I participate when price action is in my favor, and price action was in our favor until we took out our drawn liquidity for the day. So that being said, I'm gonna hop off. But I catch y'all boys tomorrow, bro. Everyone, if you're gonna stay on, good luck trading today. But I honestly don't recommend it, right? For at least for my strategy, we kind of already had the move of the day, and now we're just in butt fuck nowhere. So that's that. But yeah, end the recording here.